Cool.
So let's go, baby. So hi, hello, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूँ ज़ीशान और आप सबको मेरा प्रणाम. So what's up everyone? I hope you all are doing very well. So this is Sunday and मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैंगलोर का एक आउटस्कर्ट्स पे जाके कुछ एक्सप्लोर करते. तो I thought of one destination which I have locked in my mind, that is Kemanu Hanging Bridge, that which comes near Udupi. So वहीं पे जा रहे हैं, तो जाके देखते हैं कि कैसा है Kemanu Hanging Bridge. So yes, Happy Republic Day to everyone. Enjoy your Republic. मेरा Republic Day का वीडियो अभी आने वाला है. Is still on editing purpose. But yeah, let's go then. Kemanu Bridge comes near Udupi and Mangalore से around 65 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर मैंगलोर से Kemanu Bridge है. मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट भी नहीं किया है and I have to make the breakfast also. Yeah, my riding partner for today is Aditya Rao. You can see him going towards, you can see सामने दिख रहा है ना, वही आदित्य राव है and he is my riding partner for today. ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया तो भूख ज़ोर से लगा है, तो कहीं बड़बिद्री के पास we'll have our breakfast. So समझ में आया क्या? समझ में आया क्या? ओह, रैपर्स अगर पैसा कमा पाए या ना पाए मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन अभी जल्दी से मुझे एक ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए एक होटल ढूंढना है. So it's a wonderful day today and the sun is bright, everything is right and I'm going on a right direction. जब तक पेट में कुछ बढ़ता नहीं है तब तक तो मैं let's take this. Oh my god, so tall आ गया. The tall में we have to make it slow. Hum. Yes, everything right. शक्ल दिख रहा है ना मेरा उसमें. अरे हम. So let's. ये था पहला टॉल जिसे हमें कुछ पे करने के लिए नहीं था. So what's up?
Let's go, bro. Hotel Kush. Let's have our breakfast. Cushy time. It's cushy time.
Puri was superb. So here is our Thunderbirds waiting for us to ride it back. And yeah, what's up, Adi? Why are you so shy, man? So यहाँ से around like 10 kilometers है केमनु के लिए. तो So on the way to Kemanu Bridge, we found this broken bridge actually. The view is good. सब कुछ मस्त है यहाँ पे. So let's ride more. Let me show you the Kemanu broken bridge properly. So that's Kemanu Bridge. What's up people? Hi, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूँ ज़ीशान और आप सबको प्रणाम. So right now I'm in Kemanu Hanging Bridge. It's around 70 kilometers from Mangalore to Udupi. From Udupi you have to take a left and then come around. Okay, so this space is a peaceful space. Look at this view. It's so peaceful, man. It's so peaceful. Yeah, we will go on Kemanu Bridge not only just go, we'll ride our bike on that bridge. Let's see. It's written something over here. Let's read this out. What it's written. Place is so beautiful, man. ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ 7 ಸದಸ್ಯರ ಸಮಿತಿ. ಸೊ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೈಕನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್. ಓಪುಂಡಾ ಅಂದ. ಓಕೆ. So we are near to the Kemmannu bridge, and लगता है we have just asked with our these localites over here, and they told us that we can take our bike to on the bridge, but it's a little bit scary. Let's walk a little. I can take my bike on this bridge. So let me show you this wave. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here we are today to watch the Kemmannu hanging bridge. So this wave is so damn cool and so sexy, man. Let's get inside this wave. This bridge was naturally constructed on January 1991 maybe, because there are 26 families residing the other side of the river. This bridge was constructed for them, and later on it went on and became a tourist spot. Anyhow, it's now the tourist spot, and people are coming here just to visit this 280 feet long Kemmannu bridge. So this is the view. Watch it. The other side of the land is called Timmanakudru Island, where the families live. So this bridge is basically constructed for them to travel from here to there. I actually saw a photo of Chetak on this bridge on Instagram, so I thought we can move our vehicle on this bridge, and right now I have seen 2 to 3 bikes moving around and from here to there on this bridge itself. But those were the localites who have a main purpose to move on this bridge. The one thing I wanted to make sure that I wanted to ride on this bridge, but yeah, Adi is over there. Sup Adi? Yeah, you got that angle, dude. Great, man, great. Come on, come over here. Yo, this wave is too good, dude. Too good. Damn, man. Whew. Now let me show you something. Who and all are coming to visit this bridge, do make sure that do not litter over here and keep it safe. So this bridge is the only bridge for the localites to pass from here to there. And you can see over here there is a lady in a wheelchair who is coming from that side of island to this side of island with only of that bridge. So this Kemmannu bridge is not just a bridge for them, it's a way, it's a part of their life. So please come over here, watch everything, do take your pictures and photos, but do not litter and do not make any nuisance over, because the maintenance of this bridge is done by the localites, by their own money, not by any government. Yeah, government might be giving, but this is so inert that I don't think so the government is going to give any sort of help for the maintenance of that bridge. This maintenance of bridge is made by the localites, so make sure that you are having a good time with the localites over here when you come. Do not make any nuisance, please. We left around like 6 o'clock and reached over here around like 8 o'clock, and while coming here, the view of the roads to come here is too good. Come on a bike or a car, but car, be careful, you're a good rider coming over here. And yeah, the view over here is too good, and people come here for the photography, the wedding photography, all the stuffs to make. I have a boating system also here. I think you have to pay something to take the boats, and yeah, come here and enjoy, but do not litter. That's what I said. So welcome back everyone. Yeah, I had told you that I am going to take my bike on that bridge, but unfortunately I could take the bike on the bridge because only that one reason for that is that I should not go over there and litter that bridge. I told you that the same thing applies to me also, that I should not go and spoil that bridge taking my Thunderbird on that bridge, because that bridge, if anything happens on to that bridge, or that even the localized told that the maintenance has been done recently, so they had no objection to take the bike. They told like you can go out one round and come back, but I did not wanted to go, since that's not a good thing to do, because that's the only bridge they have. So I thought of coming back from there without riding my bike on that bridge. And yeah, after watching that lady coming on a wheelchair, no one is going to take a bike on that bridge at all, not me. Your day, thank you for making part of your day. And yeah, do watch my other vlogs also, and if you like this video, do hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, do whatever you want, and keep living and be happy. So keep riding. Masalam. See you next time.
Our souls began to intertwine. The art of